Hey, welcome to Viking Preparedness. I am PJ. This is part of the house we built. This is a tree. It is starting to encroach on the house. It's getting too close. It's leaning this way and everything. A downside to that is, can you see? You probably can't. Here, let me take you over here. Can you see this? What's that? There, that one looks ripe. Right there. It's a wild cherry tree. And so I don't want to cut the whole tree down. I just want to cut. Man, we didn't plant that. That just grew. We have several of them around here that are growing. And this year, in the past, they had little cherries. This year, they're pretty big. So I don't want to cut the whole tree down, but I do need to take out these couple branches right here that are starting to lean in, kind of like you're leaning. And to do that, stand by. I have this contraption. I got to stand way back here. Look how big this bad boy is. Now I'm gonna cut. Which one first? This is discovery learning. All right, I'm gonna cut this one down first. And so, I gotta take off the safety sleeve. I'm gonna show you how easy this is. For those of you who don't know, we live off grid, right? It's one of the things I love about this. It's the SEESII 2-in-1 pole saw, but let me show you. All right, you're right there. Oh, push that. That was fast. I'm going to take this one down. And I'm going to take, what is it? That one down. Oh, look, it's too high. That's okay. Check this out. Open this, and it extends even further. Let me take that one down, and then I'll be back to you. Oh, wow. All right. What is so cool about this saw, besides that, is that you can, oh, I gotta pull this one down. I'm a little new to this. You can take it off. You can take the battery off of the back of the pole saw. Gotta be smarter than the battery. Put the battery on here, and now you have a handsaw. Whee! This thing is awesome. But wait, there's more. This pole, as I showed you, gets really, really tall if you want to extend it that far. When you mount the saw on here, let me lower this. This is a little bit too high. All right. Take this off. When you have the saw mounted on the pole like this, these buttons right here, you can push them and you can get the saw to rotate to different angles depending on what you want to cut. I think that's cool. Like I said, the pole's really extendable. It has several hookups for a sling, which is included. I just find that for me gets in the way. Controls at this end, controls on this end. The only thing you have to do when you get this saw is put bar oil in here. You have to buy bar oil. You're gonna need it anyway. And what the bar oil does is it oils the chain as it goes, so the chain doesn't heat up that much. And this one Right now, the chain's a little too loose, just a little. You need to tighten that up. And so the way we do that, I'm going to show you what they bring you. They give you a wrench, you loosen up these two little guys right here, and then you just turn this to whichever way you need to go to tighten it. I wonder if it'll do it now. No, it won't. It says loosen these up. So you got to loosen them up with the wrench and tighten up, and you can adjust your chain. This is handy if I was going to, and I'm not, cut up those branches, maybe to take them to the trash can or something, what y'all do who have to live in suburbia. It works great, and it's rechargeable. It comes with a charger. You can just charge it up. I can charge it up. I'm off grid, but I have solar power, and so I have regular electricity coming into my house, and I can plug it in. What I like about this from a prepper standpoint is this will work long after I cannot go to the store and buy gasoline or premix for, you know, a gas-powered chainsaw. I am gonna need bar oil. Bar oil stores forever, and a little, this only takes a little bit, a little goes a long way. So you still have to store bar oil, but I like it. I have also a hand pole saw. Doing what I just did here, no problem. But if you're doing it all day, you're like, it gets hard, especially as we get a little bit long in the tooth. But with this bad boy, it just goes, and you can recharge it. I have a SEESII powered chainsaw. I showed you guys that before. I love it. I love it for all the same reasons. It's also lightweight. It doesn't weigh a lot. Now, stand by. I have it sitting right here. I want to show you something else that it came with. So you get these two little accessory packets here. And this one comes with an oiler. I didn't use it. I just poured it straight in. It comes with a sling for the chainsaw. There's multiple hookup places that you can hook it up to. Here's the wrench I was telling you about, and look at this. You get a spare chain. I think that's very well thought out. Wow, there's something dead over there. There's a bunch of buzzards. Oh, look at the squirrel. We'll see. I think that's really nice of them to give you the extra chain. And then there's a foregrip if you want to use it. But wait, there's more. Ever thoughtful about your safety. Why is my phone doing that? Ever thoughtful about your safety, you get this little safety pack. And in it, you get a pair of outdoorsy gloves and a pair of protective shades. Comes with it. I thought that was pretty nice. So the SEESII 10-inch 2-in-1, meaning you can use it like a regular handsaw. You can use it on this pole that extends very far if you want it to. Saw has a 4,000 mAh Li-on battery. They're great. I love their tools. I love SEESII, and I'm very happy that we now have this, and I can start doing some trimming around the place, as you saw. After this video, I'm gonna pull all the ripe wild cherries off of those branches I got, take them inside. But there you go, the SEESII 2-in-1 saw now. There's a sale on, y'all. It doesn't last forever. Right now, we're in Amazon days until like the 26th or something. Y'all will know. I'll leave links down below. It's the lowest deal. The best price you're going to get is taking advantage of the Amazon deal. And then after the Amazon deal expires, if you waited too long, I have a code you can use, and then you can get it at 8% off. 8% is still good. It's not as good as the Amazon deal, but you can get it for 8% off. The two don't go together. You get one or the other. So I would tell you, as you should, order it soon before the Amazon days expire, and you'll get a better deal. But this is great. It works great on the homestead. It's light. Anybody could use it. Your teenager, your petite wife, or you lady, petite woman, you can use this. And it gets things done around the place. It's all you need. All right. I will. See you out there.